Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki tanka kuya panenu channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa karoga subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nazi Mure Zimbabwe, that we girai nyaya ya buditswa nema zimbabwe.com. Tara yo achiti, there is a government official wakabuda. Tara iya achita zinakumira mushi. The Civil Aviation Authority and the State Security Services vachiri kuinvestigate the incident yakaitika musi Sunday apo pane helicopter yakakrasha. So pari kunze government official very close to Mnangagwa abuda achitaura iye achiti this is a political and security issue and it's a big issue and pari kususpectwa foul play pachiitiko ichochi yakabuditswa nema zimbabwe.com achitaura vachiti the celebratory mood surrounding President Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations in Masvingo last Sunday took a sinister turn when the presidential helicopter crashed shortly after takeoff, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions and a chilling sense of unease. While the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe and the State Security Services are still investigating the incident, whispers of foul play have already begun to circulate within the president's inner circle. For you as media, it's just a news story, a good story, but well, for the president and us, it's a chilling political and security issue. It's a big issue. An official close to Mnangagwa confided to the newsworks. The helicopter was supposed to fetch the president and his delegation after his birthday celebrations. So, when such sort of a shocking thing happens, it rings the alarm bells. It worries all of us around the president. The officials' concerns echo a growing sense of unease within ZANU-PF circles, where the president's leadership has been increasingly challenged. The crash comes on the heels of a series of incidents that have fueled speculation about the deep-seated power struggle within the ruling party. Was it a genuine crash caused by a technical failure, or it was foul play? Was it an accident, or it was by design? Alternatively, was it a technical or political issue, or both? The question is, what happened? The official continued. The official's anxieties are not unfounded. In 2021, a similar incident occurred when the president's helicopter was forced to make an emergency landing due to technical failures. This incident prompted a security overhaul. Look, in 2021, we had another incident somewhere at Sandringham, just outside Norton, when the president was coming from his pre-cap farm in Sherwood, Kwekwe. And now this, the official said. These incidents, coupled with the 2018 Blaawil grenade attack at a ZANU-PF rally, have fueled speculation about a pattern of targeted attacks against the president. Prior to that, in 2018, there was the Blaawil grenade attack at the White City rally. Frankly, what the hell is going on here? Are these isolated incidents, or there is now a pattern? When you put these things together, factoring some incidents, we can't tell you as journalists is really becoming worrying. We need to get to the bottom of this issue and act urgently and decisively, the official said. The Blaawil grenade attack, which Mnangagwa described as an inside job, was widely seen as a manifestation of the internal power struggles within ZANU-PF. The subsequent poisoning of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in 2019 further solidified this perception. Mnangagwa's ambition to extend his rule beyond his constitutional second term in 2028 has intensified the power struggle within ZANU-PF. Chiwenga, who has publicly refused to support the ED 2030 campaign, is widely seen as a potential rival for the presidency. Chiwenga's absence from Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations at Great Zimbabwe further fueled speculation about the growing rift between the two men. The helicopter crash, while still under investigation, has cast a long shadow over Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations and has raised serious concerns about the safety of the president and his accomplices. The incident has also highlighted the deep-seated political tensions within ZANU-PF, a party steeped in history of internal power struggles and mysterious deaths. The cases of Herbert Chitepo, Joshua Magamba, Tongo Gara, and Solomon Mujuru, all prominent figures in the liberation struggle, are a reminder of the dangers of political ambition and the potential of violence within the ruling party. The helicopter, a Mi-8, was preparing for a short flight to Bikita to pick up the president, who had earlier been in the area for a groundbreaking ceremony of a housing development. Mnangagwa had been accompanied by First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, Vice President Kembo Mohadi, and Defense Minister Opa Kuchinguri Kashiri. President Mnangagwa had reportedly gone for a visit to Bikita, where his father Mafidi is buried. Bikita is Mnangagwa's original home before they moved to the Mapanzure area in Rishavani. However, there are several versions of where Mnangagwa is originally from. A source told the Newsworks the helicopter was supposed to take off at Masvingo Airport on Sunday late afternoon and go to Bikita to fetch the president back to Harare. There were actually two helicopters. Upon takeoff, the presidential helicopter suddenly developed a technical failure and crashed to the ground with big impact. There were 3 crew members and 1 was injured. There were no fatalities. The airport, located 3 kilometers east of Masvingo town, typically caters for small chartered and military aircraft. The incident has raised concerns about the safety of Zimbabwe's aging aircraft fleet. The helicopter crash in Masvingo is the latest in a series of incidents involving Zimbabwe's Air Force, highlighting the need for urgent attention to aircraft maintenance and safety protocols. The incident has also sparked debate about the government's commitment to ensuring the safety of its officials and the public. It is important to note that the vice presidents were not in the helicopter, as reported by some media outlets. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga did not attend the Mnangagwa's birthday event and celebrations at the launch of Mutapa Day at Great Zimbabwe, located 30 kilometers southeast of Masvingo town. Vice President Kembo Mohadi attended, but was also not in the helicopter. Nyaya yakabuditswa muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya ituze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section.
Thank you, yes. The report is about a helicopter accident on Sunday, which occurred after a successful groundbreaking ceremony for residential stands and the Mutapa Day celebrations, which was attended by His Excellency the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, as the guest of honor. The President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, was accompanied by Her Excellency the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, the Honorable Vice President, Comrade K.C.D. Mohadi, the ZANU-PF National Chairman and Minister of Defense, Comrade O.C.Z. Mchinguri Kashiri, as well as other senior government and party officials. The helicopter was supposed to fly the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, but experienced a technical fault and crash landed. The President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, was not on board. The helicopter had crew members only on board, and there were no fatalities. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe is carrying out investigations, and a statement will be issued at the appropriate